Hey guys, thanks for watching in advance. Today we're gonna talk about this hype beast drop. I bought the drop, I did. I think it was cool and I wanna know what you guys think of it because for some reason it wasn't as hype as all their last collabs, but let's just get into it. Patta with Nike. At Patta and Nike, they already had these amazing collabs. Most of you people probably know like this is one of the most important sneakers. Patta with Para and Nike. Or as we call Para. So Patta Para Nike. I mean, that already sounds amazing, right? It was a Nike Air Max 1. You can buy that in resale for a lot of money. But Patta had another collab with Nike. It was the publicity collab, whatever. Publicity collab. I had a big UK feeling with it. So they had this, for some reason it wasn't sold out. You could just easily buy the sneakers. I don't know if the prices are going up. Okay, so I just checked and it is definitely sold out now. I don't know, maybe people caught up with it. Maybe people, a lot of people were sleeping on it. People might just stock them up and see if they can sell them for a lot more money in the years to come. I don't know, that's not why I bought it, because you know me, I wear all my sneakers, I really do. So let's just get into what I bought. I didn't buy the jackets. I didn't really like the blue one because I thought the logos were a bit too big. I mean, I don't mind big logos. It was a bit too much for me. I did, however, see somebody wearing it inside out and that looked so sick. So I was like, damn it, all right. That would have been cool, that would have been dope, but hey, I didn't think of it, so never mind. I did like the other one. It was pretty cool, pretty dope, but it didn't match the sneaker that I bought because that one was made for the black one. If you've seen them, you might already know which one I bought, but that doesn't matter. All right, first off, I bought the cap. Feather light, dry fit, whatever. It reminds me of the caps from back in the day when I was just a little boy wearing all sorts of caps, definitely caps like these. And as you can tell, this is pretty UK-ish, right? That's what I think, at least. It fits really good though. It's soft, material's good. This is soft and it has this thicker inner lay over here. Probably doesn't break as fast because sometimes caps can break, definitely when they're rounded up. It's a pretty standard cap and I like it though. It has the swoosh and the Patta logo. Let me know what you think, guys. It's brown, black, whatever. Yeah. I'll be honest though, this is gonna wear out easily. And I know you cannot see it, so there you go. Did you see it? If not, so if you're cold and you're not wearing any pants, what would you do? Put on a jacket, right? That's exactly why I didn't buy it, because I never get cold, because I'm a man, don't get cold. Yeah, I do, I get cold. That's why I bought pants. So I bought the blue ones. These are just khakis. What do they actually call these though? And they call these men's Okay, so that doesn't help me at all. So the thing is, I have this big ass booty, so everything fits pretty good, but this part over here, as you can see, it's pretty big, but it's still pretty hard to fit my ass in. The materials, it's pretty sturdy, but it's also really smooth and soft. This is the only part where it says Patta or Pat, and then Nike. So the other one, and I did like it a lot, but the thing is, if you have that outfit, you would probably only wear that once or twice and then everybody would have, okay, got it, seen it now. I'll wear this till it breaks down, I guess. Yeah, it does have a zipper. So you have to put it all the way up, but you can still go woo, pee through it without peeing your pants. If you pee your pants, you gotta clean your pants. And if you're cleaning your pants, you're not wearing any pants. Especially if you only have one pair of pants. But so if you clean them and you're not wearing any pants and you're getting cold again, and that's when the dilemma comes back around. And then you have to buy a jacket again because you're cold and not wearing any pants. Thumbs up for the awesome joke. Dark blue with white, Patta, Nike. You might see this here. Ooh. You know what, let's talk about the box first. As you can see, this is a fake one because it says Patta. Oh wait, Patta. Haha, same ones on the pants. Patta, Nike. I like this box though. Nike, Patta, publicity. Woo! A lot of Nike logos on the back though. As you can see, these are the squares that the other one has. The jacket and the pants. But the reason why I think these didn't really get a lot of love is because of these being Nike Air Max 90s. I know a lot of Dutch people and UK people wear Nike Air Max 90s, but that's about it. Obviously, you have the bacons and everything, so there are people that do like Nike Air Max 90s, but nowadays they don't really get that much love. I'll be honest, I'm not a huge Nike Air Max 90 fan, but I'm a huge Nike Air Max 95 fan. Seeing them together was just, yep, I'm digging it. I was like, holy shit, this looks dope. I did like the black ones as well, and I think the black ones were sold out a bit faster than these were. The reason I didn't buy a black one, I just kind of look like a hooligan wearing them, or at least I get the feeling. And I did have some 90s, like all white with snake skin sort of print on them. They were pretty dope. But these are dark blue, so they match the pants, and well, the cap is black, so that's always good. The other one was brown, so extremely neon bright yellow publicity woohoo logo with Patta on it. As you can see here, look, it says Patta with the swoosh, which looks dope. I wish they did that on the back over here, but they didn't. That's okay, but would have been dope. I just want to show you the shoe itself. It looks like it's reflective, but it definitely isn't. It's not 3M. And this might be reflective. Wait a second. I don't think it is. Nope. But it doesn't matter. And as you can see here, the sort of squares-ish kind of stuff. Looks like this is sort of reflective. Sort of. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I might have to take a photo to confirm that, but looks pretty dope. Patta, publicity. Okay, 2 times publicity and woohoo! And then there's a Nike logo hidden over here. Say Nike logo. Patta over here, which looks pretty cool. And this is dark blue as well, or navy. And the bottom, I don't know, they look kind of dirty, but I haven't worn them yet, so I don't know why. I don't think anybody else did. I bought them online. I didn't buy them in the store, but yeah. Let's see how it all fits together. See if it matches. All right, and let me just show you that I'm definitely not gonna resell this. Okay, this looks weirder than it's supposed to, but this right here, it's the same fabric as on the shoes. This is part of the pants. All right, they're comfy. I like them. Now, because of these having a white midsole, it doesn't feel as stocky. Yeah, I like it. And I'm wearing a cap as well. I like it, definitely. I think this was a good cop. I think it's dope. I'm definitely gonna wear this. Ooh, should I wear this at SneakerCon? I'm going to SneakerCon next week. Let me know if you think I should do that. I'm gonna make a dope video at SneakerCon though. Going to Germany, yeah. So what I was wondering, guys, what do you think is the reason why I didn't really sell out? Because it didn't. And I thought it was gonna at first, but I mean, there wasn't a lot of hype, and I just don't know why. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. Definitely just let me know what you think of the collab. I like it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, bye.